call me a bitch, make sure you put baddest in front of it. Whack ass.
My way, or the highway, my.
Now teachers wonder why nobody liked them. Girl, this is why nobody like y'all. So I'm just here trying to get a little head start on my assignments. Come on, don't make me look like I'm lying. So I'm looking up the book that my teacher, Miss Cecilia Johnson, said we need for the term. Look at this. $380 to buy, $130 to rip. Girl, what the fuck? Who the fuck do you think you are? It didn't sit right with me, so I had to send out a very planned out, dedicated, respectful email. I'll let you know if Miss Cecilia gets back to me.
Today, tomorrow, yes, the next day, and them days after that. Period. You probably had the right idea, right, but the wrong bitch. Hello.
Mimi said she has to quit eating, y'all.
I do have to. Oh. Y'all, this is ridiculous. I have got to go on a serious diet. My jaws are hanging down here close to my neck. I can't have that. Y'all know a good surgeon can whack this stuff off. I can't handle this. I'm gonna quit looking in the mirror and these children got to quit videoing me. Bye now.
You wouldn't be here. Eva. What? It was $45. But we just got our nails done.
We're so excited.
Who's the girl on the right?
Oh,
my right or your right? Because the camera inverts, so I don't really know what you're talking about. The girl in green.
Oh,
I'm actually wearing gray.
No, yeah, I'm wearing green.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, my name is Enchem.
But about her. Oh, are you still talking?
No.
Okay.
It's really.
Yeah, but about our nails, we went to this once.
Okay, if you've been on the internet at all in the past 2 days, you've probably seen this video. And you've probably seen the thousands of comments of people saying that they want to try the lava. They just want a little bite of the lava. Well, I'm actually a geology major at the University of California, Berkeley, so I thought I would give a quick explanation about what would happen to your mouth if you actually tried to take a bite of the lava. So lava is approximately 2,140 degrees Fahrenheit. Your mouth is about 98.7 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you were to bite lava pretty quickly, that would create a temperature differential of about 1,000 degrees. Which actually would be fine. It would probably taste really good and it would do no damage to your mouth. So you're probably asking yourself, why don't they serve lava at my local restaurant, El Pollo Loco, whatever? Well, the truth is, scientists think that you're too dumb and ugly and too much of a pussy to actually try it. So, I mean, if you want them to start serving it at your restaurants, go out into the field by yourself, start eating as much lava as possible, and show scientists who's boss. All right, I hope this was helpful. Bye.
Central near for packing a mess. You're responding 132 Brooklyn Stanhope Road for the female who reportedly has her braces stuck to her boyfriend's genitals. Repeating.
Okay, class. Today we will be learning about the human body. Can somebody please tell me a part?
Vaginas.
Very good, Nikki. Can somebody please tell me another part?
Penis.
80, A+ student. Okay, so I see some talking in the back of the class, so I'm just gonna wait.
Just gonna stand there.
Does anybody need to use the restroom?
Can I go?
Taylor, you may go, but no smoking in the bathroom this time.
You need to calm down.
What do we call it when a woman decides to enter pregnancy?
Pause that! Abort that!
You know what, everyone? I am done.
Oh, sit down. You're dismissed.
People keep on talking and I'm not getting the respect I need. So good luck teaching yourselves.
Goodbye. Take me.
What's the difference between kids and drugs? I don't sell drugs. I'm in my black pants.
May not be TikTok famous, but I have never posted a video of me shaking my butt for likes.
Tap, tap, tap. Wrist on glitter, waist on thinner. I'ma show you. Now from the make it. That's some. Now get up in a mop. That's some. I'm talking wop, wop, that's some Knuckle pop, that's some
I'm single and I'm lit, bitch. Tell that bitch I'm single, I ain't tripping about no thought who did me dirty. Oh God. I'm just about to fucking live this life until I'm 30. On some thought shit. All these bitches in my phone, they say I'm not shit. Why the fuck you in my
Turn around, let me see it from the back. I know you like it when I eat it like that. From the bottom.
Hey Ellie, can you please help me out on something? So should I get this shirt or should I get? Give me a second.
Is that my fucking dad? Natalie, what the?
Hold on. Let me just find it.
Wait, Natalie. Wait, this is
I think
weird
it's
as
on
fuck.
Pinterest.
Natalie,
Hold on.
Natalie.
Give me a second.
Wait, what the fuck? Are you
Give me a
serious?
second,
Are
hold
you
on.
actually kidding me? Do you think this is a joke? Are you fucking serious?
I'm sorry. Hold on.
You have the time for this with my fucking dad? My dad. What if my fucking mom sees this? Are you insane?
I'm so sorry. Okay. I just.
Oh my
so
god.
This shirt.
What?
Is this shirt?
Can you hurry up and get where we need to go? It's boring back here. Quiet back there. If I go broke like Jock, what would that dog bit? Night I rock that bit. Shut the hell up. You think we can pick up my cousin? No. Nah, you a op. Nah, you scary as hell. She'll shoot you. Anyway, she probably not even gonna answer her phone. She probably wear a side. I'm gonna try to call her. How are you gonna call? I took your phone. My mom take my phone every night. You think I don't got a backup? Sharquisha, come outside.
Hi, my name is Madison. I'm going to tell you the story about how I defrauded my high school to win prom queen. Let's get started. Let's do this. So let me set the stage. So I'm in one of my classes. I'm 17 years old. I'm very underdeveloped. I graduated high school with braces and I had no boobs. I still don't have boobs, but whatever. I have a good personality. Anyway, I'm sitting in one of my classes and I asked one of my peers, is this like homecoming where we have courts? And he goes, no, any senior is eligible. I make a joke and I'm like, wow, so I can win it. And he goes, no, you're ugly, literally. And I was like, wow, that's really rude. How dare he? So instead of getting upset, I decided to vote, like hack into the voting system at our school and vote for myself 375 times. When I won, literally everybody was silent. Let me show you. When they announced that I won, the only person that was excited was my brother Brandon because he knew about it. But look how mad this girl is. Come on, Ashley, you were not gonna win anyway. But it's been 5 years and I'm like, let me just tell this story.
Oh, I like this. Hey, you better not scream, or I'll shank you. I'll shank you. I'll play that game too. How about this? If you win, I'll let you live. All right. But just remember, if you lose, you die. The fuck? I don't think you understand. If you lose, you die. Yo, if you lose, I'm going to have to kill you, so you better start trying. Oh, okay, I think... Do you want me to speak with your parents about... I think I need to tell somebody about this.
I know I'm gonna lose followers for this, but I don't care because I also know I'm gonna gain followers. But, I wanna see how many people I could piss off today by saying 3 words. Trump 2020 bitches.
Maybe dick, bitch.
I'm at the Starbucks on Cherry Street, and this person literally just told me that I am fat and ugly.
No, ma'am, I said, did you have the buttered croissant?
That is Charlie Virginia. Alright. Thank you. Man. Alright.
This filter's literally broken. I can't even... There! Oh, you just touch it. Green screen the last photo and your camera roll. What? I wish I had enough time to explain.
Can't wait to meet you. So join the animatronic family.
Heart been broken so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama said it's my fault. It's my fault. I wear my heart on my sleeve.
Every mother knows how to make the perfect chocolate chip cookie, except they don't. I do. They're quick and easy. White sugar, brown sugar, 1 cup butter. Mixed together like you're mixed with anxiety and loneliness. 2 eggs. Beat your eggs. Beat your... Incorporate till stable, unlike your parents' jobs. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Don't make an accident just like your parents. 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons hot water. Put it in. Make it salty, just like your parents when they found out they lost their jobs. 3 cups flour, you're really bad at this. Don't forget the chocolate chips, just like your friends forgot you in 7th grade. Make sure there's a gap, unlike your thighs. 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Don't you wish you looked this attractive?
Okay, I could be really late to the party, but I just realized that Yeah by Usher and My Type by Sweetie have like the same BPM. Hold on. So now I'm thinking if I can work my magic with the instrumental from Yeah and the isolated vocals from My Type, I could probably make this work, and I hope no one's done this yet. Little cut, and we move this. And to end it, we're gonna add ourselves a fade out. We love a fade out. Okay, here we go. Oh! Rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. Oh!